How to delete your account on Bitrue. Are you guys facing issues to delete your account on Bitrue app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To delete your account on Bitrue, first of all, open the Bitrue app on your mobile device. Once you open the Bitrue app, now just log in into your account with your trusted email and password. As you get logged in, now just simply look at the top left corner of your screen, where you can see this profile icon. Tap on this profile icon. After you click on profile icon, you'll be forwarded to this interface where you can see multiple options available in this section. Now just simply look at the last option where you can see this option for delete account. You are looking to delete off your account, right? Just simply tap on delete account. Now click on next. After you click on next, again tap on next. In order to delete your account, you need to verify your ID. As soon as you verify your ID, you will be able to delete your account. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to delete your account on Bitrue application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.